Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. Today we will discuss about the second trading stock. Before jumping into next stock, first we will see what's about last week's recommendation. Last week on Wednesday we suggested entry on Vector Foods. So if you ended at 520 level, the stock has raised 5% in 3 days. It has closed 554 on Friday. So our target was 5%, that is 552. So Vector Foods achieved 5% in 3 days. Normally, for a swing stock, we can hold the trade from several weeks to several months. But in some cases, we will immediately get the target. So this is one such case wherein we got the target in 3 days. So we are lucky about that. So it is better to exit after 5%. And once again, we can re-enter once if it is coming back to this 520 levels. So more details about Vector Foods you can watch in the videos posted in the I button. There we discuss various levels, when to enter, when to exit, what is the logic or what is the rationale behind entering and what is the rationale behind exiting. Today, before entering into next stock, we will see what is the market outlook. Currently, Nifty is trading at 16,988, which is 0.65% down by 111 points. Whereas BSE Sensex is at 57,628, which is down by 0.62%. Nifty Bank closed at 39,361, which was down by 0.6%. Today, the overall sentiment looks bearish, with advanced decline ratio favoring declines. So it is showing bear face. Total number of advanced stocks were around 527, whereas declining shares were 1560. So it is in the ratio of 1:3. For each advancing stock, there were 3 declining stocks. Now let's see Nifty 50 outlook on a daily chart. Currently, Nifty is trading at 17,003, which is above the psychological level of 17,000. Even though it closed at 16,987, currently the SGX Nifty shows just above 17,000. 17,000 is a psychological as well as technical support. So once it breaks, then it can go to next level of 16,800. If it doesn't withstand 16,800 level also, then it can go further down. There is a gap created in last August that is in the range of 16,333 to 16,471. So if Nifty breaks 16,800, there is a good chance of filling that gap. So market can touch in the range of 16,300 to 16,450 level. So one should be prepared about that. There is always a saying, wherever gap is created, market tries to fill the gap. So this gap is long back pending. So market now got a good opportunity to fill that gap. So if you see on weekly chart, again the market is taking support at 17,000 level. The next support is at 16,990, further around 16,800. To get the market back bullish mode, it has to cross the immediate target of 17,400, that is the 20-week moving average. Once it crosses the 20-week moving average, it will further gain momentum to move upwards. If you see on monthly chart, market is at the major support of 17,000, whereas it got one more support, that is the 20-month moving average. Current month, it took the support of 20-month moving average. Once it break the 20 months moving average, then it can fall further to 16,500 level. As a disclaimer, the stocks discussed here in this video are not a buy recommendation and it is only for study purpose. Please discuss with your financial advisor before investing. The next stock on the radar, that is the second swing stock opportunity, is Root Mobile. Root Mobile is a cloud communication platform provider catering to enterprises, over-the-top OTT players and mobile network operators. Their product portfolio includes smart solution in messaging, voice, email, and SMS filtering, analytics and monetization. If you see Root Mobile's business segment, they are into enterprise, mobile operation, business process outsourcing, that is BPO. If you see the geographical split, 91% of its revenue comes from export, whereas 9% of the revenue comes from domestic. If you see the revenue mix, messaging services contribute 98% of the business, whereas call center services provides around 2% coverage. Now let's see the company outlook. Root Mobile is currently trading in the range of 1,334, which is 4% from yesterday's close. It is having a market cap of around 8,000 crores. The stock is trading at a PE of 29.7, which is almost close to the industry standard. It is having a book value of 267 rupees and having a dividend yield of 0.7, which is very good. It is having a good ROCE of 17.1% and ROE of 14.3%. The face value of the stock is 10 rupees. It is having almost negligible debt. The debt to equity ratio is 0.01, which is very good. The company doesn't have any pledged shares, which is another good parameter. The PEG ratio of the company is 1.33, which shows potential for good growth. The sales growth is around 83%, whereas the profit has grown by 73.4%, which is very good. If you see ROCE for last 3 years, it has grown by 23%, whereas ROE grown by 19.5%, which is very good. If you see sales growth for last 3 years, it has grew by 33%, whereas profit has grew by 44%. The total free cash flow of the company is around 117 crores and net cash flow is around 137 crores. Now let's start with monthly chart of Root Mobile. In monthly chart, first if you see the trend line is the upper point of the falling mark. If you see the trend line, the current month target has crossed the trend line. So it is showing an reversal. It is based on good quarterly result posted by the company. The second line is the inverse head and shoulder neckline. If you clearly see, you can see head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulder pattern over here. So this one is the shoulder, this is the head, and again this is the shoulder. So if you draw a line connecting the necks, it is called the neckline. So here it is showing the neckline. Current month's candle has crossed the neckline also. So in these two parameters shown reversal. The third parameter is the 20-month moving average. So the 20-month moving average is falling across here. And currently the candle is below the 20-month moving average line. So once it breaks 20-month moving average, then we can go for long in Root Mobile on a long-term perspective. Because the chart what we are discussing is monthly chart. So this will show trend on long horizon. So once it crosses the 20-month moving average, bet on Root Mobile for long term. Provided it has to cross the 20-month moving average. On weekly chart, Root Mobile is within a channel. If you consider this as a rounding bottom pattern, so currently it is about to break out at 1364 levels. Once it breaks out, then it will again give an opportunity. It will retrace back and again it will go for a uptrend. So once we miss the breakout, still we have a chance of capturing the stock at this reversal point. So we will wait for the stocks to break out above 1360 so that we can create position on this stock. On daily chart, it is showing rounding pattern along with the handle. It is called cup and handle pattern. Once the cup and handle is formed, it will give a breakout. So it is very difficult to capture the stock at a breakout. So if it's given a breakout, then it will retrace back to its original level before moving upwards. So if you missed out a chance at breakout, still you can buy at the retracement level. So the best buy for this stock to capture the breakout is in the range of 1360 to 1380 level for a target of 5% or 10% based on the trading strategy. But technically on a cup and handle, stock is forming a cup and handle pattern. The first target will be the first swing, that is T1. And the second target will be the second swing, that is T2. Here in this case, T1 will be from here to 60 points. And T2 will be the second swing, that is 180 points. So T1 is 1360 plus 60 and T2 equals 1360 plus 180. 420, 1540. So you can choose the target based on your strategy. Whether you are going for first swing, second swing, or standard 5%, 10% for swing trades. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing this channel. Please don't forget to like, comment and share if you like the video. Till now, we covered all the technical analysis candlestick patterns, single candlestick pattern, multiple candlestick pattern, and different bullish and bearish candles. In our upcoming video, we will see more of technical indicators such as trend type indicators such as moving average, MACD, momentum indicators such as RSI, volatility indicators such as Bollinger Band, ATR, standard deviation, volume type indicators such as OBV, etc. If you have any comments on this video, please do post in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day.